Welcome to Tommy's Videos, a series of interesting productions about Amsterdam. In today's episodes, we will show and tell you about the amazing project, The Valley, a multifunctional residential building with unusual architecture. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. The housing complex from MVRDV in Amsterdam is yet another example of good architecture designed by the famous Dutch architecture firm. The complex consists of 3 apartment buildings located in the financial district of Zuidas that rise to heights of 67, 81, and 100 meters. The 3 high-rises create a space that is supposed to resemble a mountain valley. Public spaces are planned between the buildings, including public squares and commercial, service, and cultural facilities located on 4 floors of the ground floor. The usable area of the towers, named the Valley, will be over 75,000 square meters. The valley has many faces. The outer edges look like a shell made of smooth mirrored glass and blend into the urban structure of the business district. Inside this shell, a completely different atmosphere has been created, which takes on a more friendly natural look. Resembling a glass block that has shattered to reveal inside walls full of natural stone and greenery, say architects. As a result, more than 13,500 plants were planted in the shared area, including trees, shrubs, and flowering plants. When the plants mature in the coming years, the valley will become increasingly green, and the building will become a manifesto for a greener city. The project aims to bring the cold, office-focused Amsterdam Zuidas district back to a green and human dimension, explain the architects. Apart from the aforementioned green space, the valley will offer 198 luxury and spacious apartments. What sets them apart is the fact that there will be no 2 identical apartment layouts. Each room will have its unique functional layout. The building will have a 3-story underground parking lot. The ground floor will feature spaces for service, commercial, gastronomic, and cultural and educational activities. The residential layers, ranging in size from 55 to 400 square meters, start from the 8th floor. The top floor will be occupied by Sky Bar, serving as a bar, restaurant, and viewing terrace. MVRDV was founded in 1993 by Winnie Moss, Jacob van Ridges, and Nathalie de Vries, headquartered in Rotterdam, the Netherlands. The company has completed many great projects around the world, including in Poland by designing the Baltic building with equally unusual and modern architecture in the center of Poznan. Alright, that's enough for today. The building is noteworthy and definitely worth a visit. Let me know if you would like to know more details of this amazing building, and maybe we can prepare a movie for you on a different topic. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Best regards, Tommy's Service Team.